be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself till you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, so make you around me. Treat me like auto, like wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby, every reminiscing, every young missing you, wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby, lost in the universe, lost in no finding us. I've been out, baby, and if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That mean no permission. Missionary getting boring, can't pitch positions. Hard to say your soul, you don't have to listen, no. I've been out, baby, every repetition, every affirmation, you wish
Oh, see, check. Our song right there. Alright. Those are live, fully active. Alright, everybody watch out. This is your boy Gyalis Jay, you're tuning into Vybz Friday. We back here again. You don't know where this is going. Just a small juggle, and then we tell us that the location switched from last week. So we're gonna wait till give you a surprise when we turn on the cameras and stuff. But for now, just go and cruise and make the chat go and build up and all of vibes and make the crew go and forward up. But everybody, thank you for tuning in, who's tuning in already. And let me say for right now, I'm just go and play some tunes tonight, right? Right? Yeah, drop your intro, yes, already? Alright, go on, we'll give them an intro first and then we'll go back to the music. That's just it, right? Alright, you ready? I'll go on.
Stop, go, wait a minute.
Stop, girl.
Gyalis Jay.
Spend cash on your pum pum, you
Link in bio.
Chroma scenes with the 2 grand kicks. Some bad dolly, yes, with the full hand dicks. Phone load up a gal, they will set pics. Slave master when we they pull up them whips. Got a social chippy, stack them chips. Can't make them your money, if you boy con this. If you chatty binds, I go stitch them lips. Yo, world thing, I got a swag pop tag. LV shows match with the Louis box. Me no mismatch, me no mix brand that wrong. If you step on my shoes, you step on 3 grand. Designer expensive, watch a Cartier. Chain goose for far, make gyal draw near. Where we go? Diabetic food with the rooftop chip. Chroma scenes with the 2 grand kicks. Some bad dolly, yes, with the full antics. Phone load up a gal, they will set pics. Slave master when we they pull up them whips. Get a social chippy stack them chicks. Can't make them your money, if you boy con this. If you chatty binds, I go stitch them lips.
Alright, like we said, just a smooth vibes are going. What you know?
trust you so much that I can't get enough of your touch. I can't get enough of you. It makes you wonder. When we first met, I didn't think you'd be the one for me. I was scared of all the shit I've seen, trying not to hold my past against you so my future could be free. At my lowest, I didn't think you'd be the one to pick me up again. You was there for me, you made me see without a lens. No guy take care of me like you do, but who knew I'd be into you? We were just kids, falling in love. Never knew that we'd take it this far. Now I trust you so much that I can't get enough of your touch. I can't get enough of you. It makes you wonder. Crazy how we tend to live our lives so full of love to give to anyone inside, hoping not to feel as lonely as you did the night before when you're sleeping in your bed. We were just kids falling in love. Never knew that we'd take it this far. Now I trust you so much that I can't get enough of your touch. I can't get enough of you. It makes you wonder. Love me like you do. Nobody can fuck me like you do. I'm always feeling small. Don't know how to risk it all. Don't know how to risk it all. Nobody can love me like you do. Nobody got me like you do. No one can love me like you. Come make me feel like a fool, but I know what I'm used to, and it's nothing like you've been through. And I know where to go, and I know where to go. I know that I want you to know that I love you, but I want you to grow. I need you to know how I feel about you. I want to feel you until we're under the moon, until we feel like we both can feel fine, feel like we know where we want to go, that we'll always have each other in everything we do. Nobody can love me like you do. Nobody can fuck me like you do. I'm always feeling small. Don't know how to risk it all. Don't know how to risk it all. Nobody can love me like you do. Nobody can love me like you do. Nobody feels like you.
It's all about your love.
Check. You're tuning into Vybz for nigga down by Gyalis Jay.
All about your love.
Like I'm saying, it's about
It's all about your love. Like all about your love. Feeling like for just, feeling fight for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, young king of pretender. Something to remember, she hunting for a spender. The world freeze when they enter, you put your light back, can you please at the center? Missing your jewel, make Gucci lens up. What a skin tender, you look like my Benza. She don't surrender, I don't caress you. Best friend, yeah. Love in her extend, yeah. You move out, I know where I'm set. Feel like love for the first time. Me see the girl, me get the bright vibe. Bright style, cute face with the bright smile. Fight for us. Spend my life for you. Feeling like for just, feeling fight for just. And the picture, my life, the view. You keep my calm, excite me too. You find your waist, the style that you. You love your girl, the vibe that you. Let's fly, my girl, in the sky, the girl. Sky so blue when the eye with you. Spend my life for you, I die for us. Die for you, young king of pretender. Something to remember. She hunting for a spender. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license to it. Your body are too tight and me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me go and fix things. You know that's my assistant. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see why your heart's icy. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Maybe call me I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah.
She a bad man, the only man she want. The only man she want, yeah. She don't care if she and him fight or if him drive the car at the stoplight. The only man she want. The only man she want, yeah. Our man says she very special, yeah. Very special. Like a dry line, and all line. You warm up on the front line, and all line. If we buy all the world in a start, the house and the car. Still she won't give me the thing in the restroom and the bar. Hey, she willing for one by the pool, willing to give me anywhere by the door. All when you must search for a fool, a popcorn, every ringtone. Him go around call her horse, their friends say the relationship poor. As him talk and turn him back, she a link up over both more. Him tell her to stop, say him a go chop, say him a go shoot, say him a go shot back round. And the only man she want, the only man she want, yeah. She cheap, say him a go cheap, say she a go weep, say him a go beat, but me a the only man she want, the only man she want, yeah. Say
She love off the cat up here, you. Cut off of jeans, me no have to wear suit. Or man is wealthy, me no have to use loot. And enough time she tell me no fi use. Like a tight me like American shoe. She have me real bad charges, she have me no care. If him left her with cut up and blue. A papi and the man where she choose. The life is stop. Say him a go chop, say him a go shoot, say him a go shot back down. And the only man she want, the only man she want. Yeah, she cheap, say him a go cheap, say she a go weak, say him a go beat. But me a the only man she want, the only man she want. Tight pussy, girl, calm down yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Your body make me heart just a melt. All the panic and me a mention. Tell you say your pussy big, girl, your pussy tight and good. Ready? I know me want your body every day. Your pussy tight and good, yeah. Baby, cock up, girl, wine for me. Me have plans for your tight pony. Make you do everything while you type to me. Ride it like a bike for me. Baby, me love you, believe me. Push it up and make you feel it. Bend over, receive me. Me alone make she come so speedy. Freaky girl, I'm my type. Do the thing them way I like. We love you for the rest of my life. Believe me, baby. Back it up like a trini. Your pussy nah shot like no bingy. So fresh, don't pa me deep like a chimney. Wind up in a pretty tight thingy. Oh, me and a rope on your titty. Wind up your feet, thick body pan is stiffy. Baby, your pussy tight, pussy pretty. Not a wrong bang, gyal, you get it ticky. When you a wind up your body, me love. Anytime we a fuck, we can't get enough. Baby, me love you, believe me. Push it up and make you feel it. Bend over, receive me. Me alone make she come so speedy. Freaky girl, I'm my type. Receive me, I like. We love you for the rest of my life. Much I need to live. One day you a work and show say you want. Pretty little freak on the phone and I tell me for warm up. Baby, you have to become fat so. When I rock it cocky, me I tell you say me love you God no. Baby, you let me drive out and I come back home. Body could just spoon, me say me love God too. Me say me love it. Girl, me know you want me up in your belly all night. In your belly all night. When you bend it over, you make me feel alright. Make me feel alright. Girl, you know you have been something more tighter than 10 round. Girl, you know I'm more than girl, me know you want me where you are wine, girl. Make me have to stop everything. Me want to you in a wifey. Pretty little diamond ring. Caribbean beauty, Caribbean cutie. Move on lock in my house and put you on duty. Boy can't call you stay, tell him don't do that. Number one property that. Baby, you drop a bomb like you rock. Small and tight even if it not fat. Me, love how your waistline and go round. Love how your waistline and go round. Love how your waistline and go round. Go round, girl. Wine for me, wine for me, wine for me, baby. Wine for me, wine for me, wine for me, baby. Wine for me, wine for me, wine for me, baby. Wine for me, wine for me, wine for me, baby. Whoa, love when you jiggle, yeah, love when you jiggle. Right now you have a real bad one in your wiggle. Cock it up, I got your fat up on your little. Make your shift gear on the bicycle. You broke it off anyway, girl, you no giggle. Come slow up on the thing, you a shake and a shivel. Bless me, bless up the thing, let me nibble. All game, no time for your jiggle. Girl, everything like Tony and sing. With me angel without the two wing, yeah. When you waist me, darling, let me feel like I love me falling, yeah. Bend over on the railing. Bad man, I turn you like a steering wheel. In love you like me savings, yeah, yeah.
Me I no like to talk, but I can feel my mind feeling up. When you just start whining for me now, I hear your body telling me say you want me. Fly you over the seas, put your body and feet in the sand. I know say when you see go believe, when you see me go be like 3D cinema. So clear, your body close to me, because you're my angel. No way you're going nowhere. You got something I'm into. Nothing I could do. Put me something into you and let it loose.
Girl, a pretty like Tony and sing. With me angel without the two wing, yeah. When you waist me, darling, let me feel like I love me falling, yeah. Bend over on the railing. Bad man, I turn you like a steering wheel. In love you like me savings, yeah. your body. Mind pan it, yeah. Now if you're lonely, you know damn well say me love you always. Mind up your body, sit down by me like one of your favorite chairs. Mind up your body, I'm gonna make you my wife one of these days.
I know what you want, my baby, no one. You don't look best, baby, your body be ruthless. Baby, it's you that I do best. That's what you want to do, and I'll see you do for you.
You're pretty like
Texting, juggling me all over your phone all night. It's your love, you're juggling me, don't know that you've been on mine. I'm young, right, you want it. I can follow away your heart. All night till the morning. We got about 3 hours, leave your phone alone. Keep you guessing what goes down when we be all alone.
Sorry. Flexing, come from the western. Tell him stop texting, troubling you and flies on the pesting. Interesting, money off and all because we spending. Stepped in, rolling like the 10 pin. Groovy, movie high spending. Painting in Madison, but I want the brethren. Na-na-na, paranoid, I got to pat it down. I bleed the man like Zaga's out. I said I bleed the man like Zaga's out. Zaga's out, yeah.
Texting, juggling me all over your phone all night. It's your love, you're juggling me, don't know that you've been on mine. I'm young, right, you want it. I can follow away your heart. All night till the morning. We got about 3 hours, leave your phone alone. Keep you guessing what goes down when we be all alone.
Give me on phone light every time me go live on stage, that's the way me live. But no texting matter fact, no phones allowed from the coming on me crib. Me a cut to the chase and go straight to the biz. Kiss up on your neck and me a give you some kiss. We can have a party, baby, we can have a party. Make you blow the candles and then you make your wishes. When you have the man, that's for something off the kid. We can work it out as best as possible you do. We can have a party, anything you want for call it. And we not for call it cheating, and let that you did.
Texting, juggling me all over your phone all night. It's your love, you're juggling me, don't know that you've been on. I'm young, right, you want it. I can follow your heart. All night till the morning. We got about 3 hours, leave your phone alone. Keep you guessing what goes down when we be all alone.
Yeah, you are running for the bed. She's one of my like a junkin'. I mean, napping step ship when you try. Jumping panic and she bouncing. She not care longer to tongue and she your tongue ring. I mean, good pussy girl, good pussy girl, good pussy girl. No one can find me if you want somebody around you. If I get up, I'll be the man who shall run to. Good as no, only if you admit it. You know what time it is, I say the word and I'll be with it, girl. Exceptional, pussy sanctified. Good fuck me, want give you, make you fantasize, girl. Say it now for me forever, make your pussy worth more than a change of my feeling. Rub on the road, me slap up your chin. Sexy girl with a good underneath. Ruffle the back on your fancy shit. Freaky girl, look the way you beat me, girl. You say I have no way near you. Watch me, Dave, remember, say it just I get to hear you. Feel nobody calling fire. Feel nobody want you like nobody. Let me tell you something, yeah, you are running. But the bitch is one buckle like a junkin'. I mean, napping step ship when you try. Jumping panic and get she bouncing. She not care longer to tongue and show your tongue ring. I mean, good pussy girl, good pussy girl.
Again, everybody, thank you for tuning in. This is Vybz Friday. This is your boy Gyalis Jay. We're there with some new faces and familiar faces, but not old faces. We're there at a different location, like we are say tonight. We're there at Barbershop tonight. But I know it's also unfamiliar to see a female in the barbershop, but you don't know the Gyalis role, you know my vibes already. But we're not going to go and tarry too long, you know. Like we said, we're put a new black same time. We don't know the barber, so we pull up over here, but the barber now to show himself and say that, you know, like, you know, then you have to go make the people know your barbershop location and thing, even if I that, you know. You can't find no hiding thing in the barbershop. I Livevybz is saying that. Found no one. Let me some people with there again. Thanks for tuning in. And when we come there, you pour your drink in? No. If you take a pour something over the circle, because I know everything is close to the video. You know, I don't drink either. Alright, let me go and talk to the people. You get her a drink or she get her own drink?
No, you can get it, right?
Alright.
Yeah, you can. Just make sure you're not putting on it.
Oh God Almighty. And so we start the show. As I said, people, we are going to enjoy the vibes. We didn't want a new location. We are going easy back and things. And tonight we definitely promote Mix It Up Fridays. So we are head after here. So we big up DJ Fire and DJ any Maximus at Damon Go. So we are found out tonight. Shout out D&K Catering that I want to sponsor them. Shout out Nichols Barbershop. Don't know that are the big sponsor for tonight. And then again we are shout out One Love Window Cleaning, another sponsor. We other sponsor them, All In Podcast Network, and definitely shout out to the Livevybz family. And definitely shout out to all the supporters out there, people when they on the live are complain about nothing but them just a complain because they want to see my face and thing. But see me here now. I'm Air Cheese. I wish I can't remember the smell, but I want the Air Cheese. So again, me go back my guest introduce herself until the bartender is here with her drink. Like I said, yeah, I know y'all know her. She's been on like 2 episodes already.
Yeah.
And yeah, we've been in like, we got 1 viral video. But we're gonna leave that there, let them go do their research. But Miss Wow, introduce yourself and all that good stuff.
Well on, people. It's your girl Wild out here. We're there. Thank you.
Alright, right.
Yes, so we here. Shout out to Gyalis for inviting me out. I don't know, so we're there. Outside tonight, Livevybz TV, you don't know how we do it.
Yo, you see how she attacks up?
Oh my God, we're not going through this again.
No, because me understand. Remember your name, you know. Remember your performing name, I go say? And you over here talk like you're some Disney Channel princess.
Listen.
But when you dance, a different story.
How they say it? Thank you. This is Taji and you're watching Disney Channel. Yo, what want people to sugar your wall out? Me here with Dea. You don't know, say it. Make sure you guys subscribe, you like the channel, share it to all your people, them and your friends, them. You don't know, say all the things done up.
Alright, so listen now. So as we pan the rest of people to pull up. Shout out the sponsor, the already shout out to the viewers. Everybody in the chat. Woo! That's the body. Yeah. We have some not controversial, but some regular. Ooh, give me a second, hold on. Yeah, some regular barbershop topic tonight, but since we're female in-house, we are definitely see their opinion and see their version of their story like that. But me look started with you, and when the rest of people pull up, we're gonna ask them the same question. So, tell me about your first heartbreak, and who did you tell?
My first heartbreak. Well, my first heartbreak was about 5 years ago.
Hold on, 5 years ago?
Yeah.
Jaja. Oh, carry on. Me not judge.
The first person I did tell? Of course, my best friend. But it took me some time before I open up and,
Tell anybody?
Yeah. You know, you need that time, that space to just... But you never know if you want to go back, that period of time where you like, you might get back together.
But you don't know that them time did.
Right. That's why you just keep it to yourself.
But 5 years ago, we can't imagine 5 years ago. I was fall in love so late in my life.
Sometimes things just happen that way. People play games these days now. It's hard.
Yeah. Well?
Dating is hard.
Well, me not comment on that. Actually, my first heartbreak is that, I say what? Was it grade 7? Or grade 8? Like, what you would say,
love.
middle school?
That's not love. There you go.
But I'm saying my first heartbreak. I didn't say love.
Oh my God.
At different levels, Me say at different levels, So, yeah, it was, me even know if to tell the story. It was just, but growing up now and looking back, I felt like it was more of me in my head.
Of course.
You know what I mean?
Of course.
Not saying she never do nothing, but most of the stuff was just me in my head.
So y'all was writing cute little love letters and...
Yeah, them things they are going free nights and weekends and them style when we had to wait till the weekend to run up them minutes. That's the times I was talking about.
Yeah. You kick your foot up on the bed, you're outside, just...
But me didn't want to play, so you have to buy a phone card. Me never.
You run out of credit quick?
Yeah. Yo, 150 let me could afford it. I remember me a schoolboy, you know. Me never nobody afford me. They are same way.
Yeah.
Yo, you can ask me the same question, see just forward.
Alright, man.
I'm my perfect person to ask, you know.
What was your first heartbreak?
Damn.
Who you tell first?
Damn, that's a good question. Our first heartbreak. Yeah, first time I ever fell in love.
Yeah, so when that, what age?
When I say, probably 13.
So better we start here, you see how far we are love from?
No.
From we young, I had talk about 5 years ago, she said.
5 years?
No man, I tell you, say man love from early. We are love from a long time, man.
Love a boy.
A woman
A woman
like,
tell me in a dog and junk her, you know.
that's fun.
I see you now
That's
with
how you Gyalis now.
Yeah. But my version of girl is different from what you think, you know, because me not. Do you talk a phone? Yeah, point it down, you talk a phone, come over, bro.
Alright.
Do the stand itself. Yeah, right. That's a good, alright, so yeah. Well, that, my version of girls, as I say, I know the stereotypical, like one of the thing, you know, because like I said, me not have no bad name or image outside with no female that I know that speak bad on my name, you know. So
that's fine.
We leave on good terms.
yeah, my girl is fine, always clean. I don't know how much girls can say that I make them clean, but yeah. But as I say, I retire now. You see, me let home and me at work, but like I say, me in the game clean and left the game clean, so. So
Can you really
So step
retire?
on back.
Yeah?
Can somebody actually retire from being a Gyalis or a skettle?
A skittle? Alright, so, yeah.
I mean, they say you can't turn a hoe into a housewife, so...
Well, I can say, when in my earlier 20s, like from teenage to my early mid-20s, I was, you know? But now, like I said, I've just been working and staying home now, so it's just like, even when I have the opportunity to make all these moves and all decisions, I'd rather just sit my ass at home and just chill.
Okay.
And
so,
then,
so it's an internal thing, you have to...
Yeah.
It's a mindset you have to do.
And I feel like it's a phase that you grow out of, some earlier than some, I feel like, you know what I mean? But even if it's, I mean, I don't want to call it that, something you have to grow out of, because it's not like, it's a bad thing, you know what I mean? But it's just, I feel like I just one of them stages in our most men's life when we experience heartbreak early, and like, you know, like you say 5 years ago. So, you know?
So the heartbreak, does the heartbreak turn you into the Gyalis? Or?
Me still love a boy, you know? People do say me still love a boy. Everybody can't tell it. Any females can't tell. Me still love a boy. Like me say, no female that have no dirt for me. And if you don't do, you can't dish it. Because 2026, everybody has do something and get to. So why not me?
Yeah.
So like me, I say, me no, sir. Me good there now, man. Me good there now. Me can't speak for nobody else.
No, yeah, speak for yourself.
Yeah. But like I say, it's like, it's just we feel like most males just have a phase when them just experience something and them like, I can't bother deal lucky. And then most females are pattern, you know. Most females pattern after each other when they don't even think they do, but it's so because society, from my perspective, society molded most of these females, so their reaction to everything, most things is the same.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. And everybody want to crash out or do all this crazy. So you could predict most of their movements. So
they have the same reaction.
Yeah,
like,
so you just sometimes you just like,
What?
never worth it. You just sit and you just make them go. But like I say, anytime we want to go back outside, we can go back outside. But outside cool now.
Outside cool.
If you go outside, go find a girl now, you're them desperate. they need shelter, so I'm good. Now we tell summertime. Everybody want to go outside, is it? So you, I'm to you, boss. Oh yeah, you didn't answer the question. See that?
Why in the start a topic there? Let's avoid that one day.
One this round over this one. So, anybody in the chat, nobody in the, how would you say? I don't know what you say, Pop say. Yo, anybody in the chat, you don't answer the question, it's the first heartbreak. I didn't think we talk about when we come to barbershop country, you know, woman problems. I also had the problems that we have with women now, we come dish a barbershop.
First heartache, high school.
High school, and I just say barber.
Yeah, high school.
You see, but you see, look here now, she just said fear 5 years ago, you know.
Yeah.
And we are telling us that most of you are high school, primary. So we are telling us that we love first and love harder from longer time.
Sure.
Until you turn so wicked.
Oh, God.
I'm telling you, man, I want bag of things to go
What
on.
type of demon
When
girl
I say-
this?
I don't feel like a girl give me a chance if me be wicked yet.
Eh?
I don't feel like one girl give me a chance if me be wicked yet.
You know, if you do, well, that doesn't sense of be wicked. It's just like
Me know you're talking about still.
like a lock up.
You never crash out?
Yeah, I crashed out before. What you mean?
I don't know which man never crash out. Unless you don't like your woman.
Yeah. Any crash
So
out.
do
Man.
every woman get the crash out, or is that special
No,
person?
not every woman can get you to crash out.
Okay.
That's facts.
And it depends, like you know, situational and all of these things. So, you, what about you? You have you crash out moment already?
Yeah.
What about you?
More one.
More than one?
Yeah.
Well, boy, me no crash out that much. Me no crash out that much.
I don't really crash
I
out
have
that
my
much, but
moments. Me
crash out
most
before,
like
more one
a
time.
peacekeeper. I try to suppress as much as I can, but once it pass, like me like a 3-strike person.
yeah, same thing there.
Yeah, so once number 3, I'm matching whatever you want, or even more, because now I'm strong with everything.
Yeah.
So me not play them games. So, okay, so let me see now. Ladies, I'm sorry, so we over here back on but see, lady have to defend her. But if we are talk truth, she gonna tell us we are talk truth. And some of my things them, oh yeah, the girl them wanna cook.
You gotta stop on that now.
I don't want to feed the man them where I work at daytime. We don't feel burn up.
It's a fire.
No going out every night.
Going
no
out what?
take out.
No, yeah, we don't want no takeout every night. We want food. Food pan stove. Well,
Need some banana, some yam.
They don't know about that yet. They don't feel like no girl after 2023 or after 2020. Let me see.
We are
2016, me don't feel like no girl can cook them something there.
You mean if they don't know that already?
Me any girl cook them there before. Them, you know what I mean? But then still, you know that like a traditional cooking, you know. Now everybody want pasta this and pasta that.
Yeah.
I don't believe they get like can cook.
Them TikTok, them took over mukbang and
All of them things. So, a woman them can cook.
Damn, why I bring
Tell you right now, if your man at work, if your man at work, please. I don't care if you at work. I believe in what do you call it? Gender roles.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
Just in that.
But I also do believe that us man, we don't like specify work, but cooking, if your nigga is working, you gotta cook for him. Don't care. That's one thing I can say a woman have to do. If you don't cook for that man, and you keep on take out, then somebody else can take him out.
It's all like catch you what do you dog?
I don't know who in the chat can cook, but you just a say.
It's all like catch
Me
you
just a
what
say. Like me say, after 2016, no more granny now make so. Nobody now teach nobody nothing.
Actually, I'm a cup guy.
Nobody now teach the girl them nothing. They don't have no traditions to carry. After 2016, I be hot
everybody
girl I
want to
make.
buy seafood boil.
Yeah. I was like, oh,
Steak.
see that?
That's good.
Yeah, this
They
nigga
want
over there.
burger,
See? He wanted
fries.
2060.
I was like, fast food that kills Jamaica now. Everything them I bring down there. Girl, I don't want to cook again. Not true, no word still. Of course, me can't cook. Of course, me would not say nothing. anything what you say? Anything that I am requesting or recommending from the female, I can also deliver. 5 times school. I not say 10 number brag. Maybe 6. Put one penny for the high.
I don't know your time, but still, but.
No, I said if me ask a woman to cook, me
I can cook, but when I get feet by what I was saying, can do 5 times more when anything about request from home.
No, but me I said,
as a yard man, that don't click right to me.
What me I said is like, if me ask a woman if you can cook, bro, that mean me can do it, but me just ask you if you take that one task from me, you know what I mean? Me not ask you if you do not know what me can do unless that's something you already.
That's fine.
So you can help me with that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If anything, me go, like we said, take out. If you can't cook and me can't cook, I guess we take it out. But if me, if me at work, and yeah, me don't care if you at work too, but I have to cook. I just so you go.
That's okay.
So you go. How else? Ladies, what we say? Woman have to clean either way. Woman have to clean.
Overall.
Woman have to clean. Like,
Most women do.
but you have 2 versions of clean when it comes to woman, you know.
Tidy up and clean.
Yeah, cause I feel like.
No, you have some women that will clean themselves. And some.
And they don't clean their surroundings.
Yeah.
And then you
I have
to,
the one who clean and clean. Yeah. Double
so
clean.
what you mean? What for your version of clean woman?
Huh? I mean, a woman who always take care of her hygiene good, always smell fresh, and take care of her surrounding. That's what I call that, so. You see me?
Yeah, you know me here with you. Some
right.
I heard some mama. I remember from my cousin or some other Jamaican girl attack. But then did I say, if your girl don't wash her drawers when she get out the shower, rinse it out, then that should say something about her.
Me don't know what the hell she do when she.
Jamaica, no. I just that thing.
I don't know if it's me here want to do
I can't speak on that.
You can't speak on
yeah,
that.
before one.
So ladies, if you're in the chat, is that a thing for honor? If you get out the shower, you're supposed to wash your underwear out or something? What that mean? Is that like some superficial stuff?
I mean, it's a Jamaican, you know, we Jamaicans stay already. We like to put a meaning to everything.
One thing.
She said, yeah, bro.
Oh,
That's the thing.
Yeah, you don't need
You see what?
Yeah, I wash my drawers.
You sure? You sure?
Oh, well,
You put it in the laundry, that means no wash.
You wash it in the laundry, you put it in the laundry, the washer.
You're not getting the point.
So like you're supposed to like wash them in the shower?
Yes, as soon as it's done.
You know, like, me don't know. Them say what?
I mean, I don't know how it works, but I heard it before.
Wash it in the shower?
Yes.
You know why? When you
While you're taking a shower.
When you finish.
Yeah, I heard that shit before. Maybe it's an island thing. I don't know.
Yes, it's a Jamaican thing. I was telling you, bro.
Yeah, I heard that. Is that an island thing?
Yeah,
American people don't believe in that.
Why would you do that though?
So,
I mean, it's just old people. It's just old people
I
come
mean,
with it.
it could be so like,
Big
I don't know
thing.
if you had a lawn there or something, you can just do it so it's not just sitting there and whatever. That's the only reason we can't think
Oh,
of. But
we're
Well,
talking to men about vaginas and they don't have them.
no, I'm just saying, I said what some like they said the reason
Yeah,
why
why
we
this-
talk about women and hygiene,
What are we
and
talking
that was a
about?
topic that some women brought up. So I'm asking her if she ever heard of that or what does it mean. But now we got to the point it was a cultural thing. So I guess that's a cheap way of doing laundry quicker.
What's another one that you
Oh, and as far as the cleaning, that's a shared chore, I believe, of the house. But how often do you think a house should be clean or a woman should clean their surroundings?
Every day.
Because I say this.
Every blood clot the house we clean.
I say
Every
this.
day I'm there.
Every day.
Every day.
Me don't know about that, cause right you know, unless you have
you
dog
have to
or
wash
picking
plate,
it. Well,
you have
yeah.
to sweep. You
I
know,
mean-
you might not mop every day, but a couple, 1 or 2 times in a
No,
week,
sir. I like every 2-3 days me cleaning up.
I'm gonna say my personal thing, I can't do it every day. I'm still on the Italian army shit. We wasn't doing that shit every fucking day. 'Cause we had bills and we was outside sleeping. We can't clean our room every day.
I feel like it's always something to clean around the house. Your
Every
room.
Sunday.
Yeah, have to do
Well,
something.
It'll be Sunday.
me not tell no lie. Me no clean, like me said, me no clean every day, every 3 days at least. Me vacuum every day because the baby has a dash of shit. But other than that,
I mean, you might not do no deep cleaning every day,
Yeah,
but
but
you're still gonna clean. You know,
Yeah,
you're
not
still
talk about
gonna-
deep clean.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
if you're just a nasty place and just not leave everything everywhere what I call, you're nasty. You're not clean up after yourself. That's what you call that.
Yeah, yeah.
You see me?
Bathroom after wash.
but I'm glad you bring up the bathroom because one of my thing when me do when me go on a female house, I definitely check the bathroom.
You check the soap?
Slide that
No,
curtain
me,
back.
yeah, me slide the curtain back. Me I check behind the toilet,
soap
I check under the sink,
The ones that say
and I check in the cabinets. Once you go in there and hear upon the sink, I tell you sign already, you know, and then you have a seat.
The hair on the sink, the toothpaste still in the sink.
Yeah, me always check everything and then trash. You check everything trash. Yeah, bro.
Right now, check nobody trash. Man. What the fuck?
No, me don't mean check like go through the trash, but look in the car. Certain things nothing in there in trash, bro.
That's facts. But I don't even think about it.
I'm gonna tell you, me going around woman trash out there. Yeah, I see.
That's not your girl though. Why you going to trash?
Because I want to know if I clean somebody me I deal with.
You went through what?
It's
I can go
trash.
through a trash and look in it. Like you go into
No, you're not
you go to a
trash,
chick
man.
house, right?
You look at the trash?
Yeah.
Like not picture it, just
No,
look
I don't.
like,
I just speak
So
over
they
the
was fucking or they only.
all of the above.
So what if you see a condom?
Yeah, I'm leaving.
What information do you find out from your girl
It don't fucking matter. Let me know say I know my idea that. We circle the ends.
It could just be like, you know, this trash been sitting here for a couple of days. Like, you know, you could have just, you know,
Yeah,
took
you
this
know what I
out
mean?
or something like.
And then again, they know if have certain things in there. It's not that I'm going there to fuck. Even if I'm going there to chill, there should be certain things that shouldn't be displayed, regardless. You know what I mean? That's just it. Certain things don't just show as woman, me believe. Like I feel like when we have gender roles, certain things a man should do and do it. And time and place for everything. But you know, space, it show a lot about.
Yeah.
I would
That's
say.
why they say like you're not supposed to have company in your room and stuff, like chilling in your room. You know, keep your bedroom door closed, have everybody in your living room, whatever.
Okay, and all of that. And then definitely they cars too.
Oh, the cars be the worst, bro. You ever borrow a female car and you can't even sit in it?
Bro.
Jesus Christ.
We work
As a mechanic,
Bro,
nah. Some female cars be the worst. All of them usually be the worst.
What's wrong with that?
It be lashes.
Stink.
Yeah, let me tell you, man.
It be
Yeah.
blow dryers. Like,
You remember when we popped
They
this?
got places to go.
No, but
vanities in the car.
Bro, we could have like feed off like a whole Salvation Army in this one girl car.
No,
We
what
got, yo, she got mad soda, chips,
no, man,
like
Survival.
mac and
but
cheese, like all type of shit.
no, but there would be like the kids, mom with kids. Mom with kids is funny.
Yeah.
Women with kids, those be the. Actually, it's all of them across the board. Most of them, not all of them. But women with kids, I give them a cut. I give them a break, because seeing that I have one now, goddamn.
Yeah.
I'll be looking at my back seat sometime. I'm like,
Hell
what,
yeah.
when did you bring that out the house? You know, so it's just like I give women with kids a pass, but women with no kids, like I said, when I used to
You can't
detail.
be working and having a.
No, like I said, I could really use logic when we see certain things in the
So-
car. Like if I see like gym shoes and stuff or that, okay, you go to the gym.
So it's the ashes and the unnecessary stuff, the excess accessories.
Receipts, jewelry, one pair of shoes, one pair of high heels,
Bottles
Crocs,
everywhere.
all of that. Water buckle, liquor buckle, Wendy's
Even
bag,
pregnancy
McDonald's
tests we
bag.
be seeing there.
Yeah.
Bro, all type of stuff.
Clothes, sweater. My God. And then you have the same bag there with all that the overnight bag where they stay at their friend house or where they blow dry in there, the straightener, the scatter in the everything. My God Almighty. And then you think of this so you done. When you go in there in chunk,
The grocery shop, bro.
Girl, strap. Ain't no time, you can't find anything there.
It was a corner store.
it wouldn't be so bad if the corner store did have good stock. But my God.
I want the way pop, man. I chuck the way pop, they have good
In the
stuff.
back of my trunk, I got tools,
I want to never idea, I built never idea.
a table for my business.
Oh yeah, the bees.
In your car?
That's it, yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
I got the jack in case I got a flat tire, all that stuff. I got the
Can
jumper.
change tire?
You know how to change the tire?
Uh-huh.
No?
No.
Oh, yo, you ever say that was about the third of our conversation. But you know what? That's a great segue. So ladies, this camera right. So yeah, so this summer ladies. See when I'm mechanic, the next one I hide, me don't know why I'm hide. This summer, we're giving out the woman them when I have no man, we're giving 2 free classes summer on how to change your tire if an emergency, if a male is not present in.
Why have to be if you're not my man?
Well, if you have a man on your work list, you can come also. Yeah, we are going to teach you how to change tire just in case you're in a situation where a male is not present or one is there that's a bitch. We got you. So back to the show. That one good commercial, not true. But we're serious though. So link, what your name? QDQ. No, my Instagram name. QJ Diamond. J3. Yeah, and link J340 and link me Gyalis Jay on Instagram.
Oh, 340 Dre.
Yeah, 340 Dre. Link any of that. So what we do it again so they can hear it clear. So link
QJ Diamond, you see me?
QJ Diamond on IG.
And 340 Dre.
340 Dre on IG.
Bro, come down here, bro. We can't see how we are linked.
Gyalis Jay on IG. And ladies, if you're serious, this summer coming up, we're doing like a tutorial on how to change your tire. Just in case you get in a situation and nobody is there to assist you in a safe way. So I would say the link with. So moving forward, we gotta get back to getting ready for close out. So anybody may have enough grievance with woman, you know, but some of them personal, you know. I rather take it up with this person. But let me say, woman for clean. What if you about woman where me don't want to even use the word submission in a car. That me not like. But how you what's your I want to figure out how to word this properly.
You want the
how would you like your woman to respond to you? Me don't want to use the word submissive because that's like yeah. Like what type you like? Cause me have a friend, you know, you like the bad girl them we bad them up, you know. You have a friend like that?
Yeah, if any girl bad me up, that means so like she are probably gay or something.
You what?
She probably gay or something because
yeah.
No woman
so you know like,
no, come here and say why? Huh? Like a man here date dog. You see me? You put it away because no woman no fear of fuck no man.
But some man like that.
Me not like that.
You don't want no
That's
competitive, no argument, just everything nice and
No, I'm not saying no argument. If argument have happen, argument have happen, but I rather no argument, you see me?
no toxic energy.
No, just nice and mellow.
Sometimes
peace, you see me? Just bring me the peace, you see me? That's all I need.
Sometimes the toxicity make you fun.
Yeah.
Peace get, if, you know, me know say that, you know, me
Peace get boring?
No, I don't say peace get boring, you know, because watch this. Even though we want peace, but look, you know, you say they come, me that do a beds with you when they must say, you can't have good and not have evil. You have to go hand in hand. So if you have peace, when you have peace, you have some type of disruption to make you be more grateful of your peace, I guess. I don't know. But
depends on your type of.
yeah, so you have to sprinkle a little salt on it sometime, you know. But not me. Me not initiate that. But if you come to me, me turn up you more. If you throw the salt, me dash pepper. You fuck with me. That's why I always just chill, you know. That's why I not know bad reputation. I always say, look here, hey.
Go on, anyways.
But people may tell you, I will miss you the time, you know. Alright, I get close to that time then. So when I get close to that time, everybody may leave like a tarry, you know. Like we said, we're up on the block. We're going to be again in the next month sometime. But when we're here, I think we're going to be cutting here. We're going to be cutting here. I don't know who I will cut food for here, but I know say we're going to be cutting here the next time we're here. But we did just they have to give you like a map of the setup and the different locations that you might see us streaming at throughout this upcoming spring and summer. The next spot we're going to be streaming at is the shop. But that's in a warmer time, like we say closer to springtime and stuff. But You know, we're at the barbershop, we're on the block. And you know, normally it's female at the barbershop, but go wild out, come wild out with tonight. And thanks for having you.
Appreciate it.
I mean, I don't know how far she come from, but in that way, there, you know, much appreciated.
Oh, yeah.
We're there and we go outside tonight.
Murder, you see me? Don't know, say a QJ Diamond. One mechanic, if you need any type of work, you know, if you slide in, you see me? Alright, there.
And you don't know, this your boy Gyalis Jay. And thanks for tuning in. This is Vybz Friday. And don't know, like I say, we're at Nichols Barbershop. Link me. And if you're a new customer, we got a small discount. As you know, say school season are come back up. For the kids, we have a small discount. Big man, pay on the money. We don't know that. But if you have a youth, you bless up the youth them. You know, a small discount for the youth them. But link me and link Gender on Facebook. And I'll tag him in the description after this. And then I'll post on my Instagram and tag him after we leave here. So again, people, thanks for tuning in. This is your boy Gyalis Jay. This is Vybz Friday. And I'll catch you guys next week.
Boop, boop.
Clear that screen. I'm gonna go party, come in first right now.
What?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, Livevybz. I know I'm blessed.
Subscribe.
I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon. And I've done my best.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice. Come rewind. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love.
World big.
One set of lunatics, hell after hell, you know. So no matter how many shana go shell, you know. Friend or see friend I did bet you that would have quell, you know. Watch a level, no. Blood I go shell, you know. Man I go dead, you know. Boss a shot in her head, you know. When me they tell, you know. Level, no. Ready, no. Watch a. When we get gunned down, in a broad day. What the things we do, what your words when you say. Flat out by your back, dark a lick out the haze. All of your little dreams and aspirations, them gone to waste. What the fuck would you think? Nothing this is a game. When I pull up on a concrete in a blood in a pain. Girl taking a hand, high grade in a brain. Lick shot in a chest, him can't go get up again. Ma go Henny Garrison, still have me watching my chin. And in the weapon they talk with them off of my mama name. Brooklyn, New York, Toronto the same. Fuck yourself, you not go get just a broken or a spray. And if me say you forget it, you actually get the flame. Could I do this now, me sleep, I'm still up a campaign. People are by hopes, me just at the plane. Build myself up from the ground, I know me up on the thing. I know me living good, yeah, we living good. Me, I'm good in the straight, that man in my place. No beat boy, ya gunshot straight, yeah, we living good. And the dog, them willing to. Everybody have them ways, me no cuss, I'm in a trace. No beat boy, ya gunshot straight. Every morning as my eyes, me stop and look in a space. I have to take a second look for save me in the place. Enemies can't get to me, better look out for your snake. Me pay attention when them talk, I want to look on them face. You make yourself a target the moment you elevate. You a party, everybody want a piece of the cake. When a bomb when you see me, I got dead in a ears. Before you even make a step, I'm gonna step on your lace. Them say life full of surprise, me have a full of surprise. Remember to watch me read them anytime when you a drive. Been a watch you in and out and you never realize. My God, see up now must come in alive. Everything I believe up when the tabas arrive. Gun play one man a truck and a dive. Boy I bet him life like I no feel life. My God, see up now must come in alive. Cause you will get gunned down in a broad day. What the things we do, what your words when you say. Flat out by your back, picture and take this space. All of your little dreams and aspirations, them gone to waste. What the fuck would you think? Nothing this is a game. When I fall up on a concrete in a blood in a pain. What you mean in the job? What you mean entertain? Two more in the chest. You never get to shit. Yeah, you me. The man no girl is free. Let me tell you something if you never know an idiot boy and you make she know me. Carry news to gal and a bad man style, na. Mama la she. Pour out the matter what this me I feel like she screenshot the text send me. She have the ones a big waist man. Tell her the man have this for me, yeah. Girl when you hungry can imagine if you fuck man then you bang it for me.